Hey guys, Dr. Axe here, doctor of natural medicine and founder of draxe.com. Today I'm going to share with you my top tips for reversing diabetes and natural treatments for diabetes. And I promise if you follow the diet tips, the supplement tips, and the essential oil tips and lifestyle tips I give you, you're going to see results really, really fast. In fact, I had a patient, Kirby, who was able to reverse his diabetes in just 2 weeks. I've had other patients in less time, some in just a few months. So I guarantee you can see great results with this. Number one, let's start with diet. When it comes to diabetes, especially type 2 diabetes, we really need to balance out blood sugar. So diet-wise, there are certain foods that will help do that. First, let me kind of shape a meal for you. Ideally, your meals are going to be high in 3 things: protein, fiber, and healthy fat. So protein, fiber, and healthy fat, those are the 3 things that are going to help balance out those blood sugar levels. What's going to throw it off? Sugar and carbohydrates. Now, you want some carbohydrates, but just a smaller amount. If not, the blood sugar is going to go up and down. So remember that: protein, fiber, healthy fat during all of your meals. Ideally, also, you're going to get foods that are very high in a type of mineral called chromium. And chromium picolinate is found in high levels, especially in broccoli. So for you, broccoli is the ideal superfood for diabetics and helping balance out blood sugar levels. Also, consuming foods that are rich in magnesium. Magnesium has been shown to also help blood sugar levels. And so foods like grass-fed beef, certain types of nuts and seeds, also doing many vegetables are high in magnesium. So that's another place you want to go. But then the number 3 food you want to focus on are foods that are high in fiber. And this is probably the most important. You want to focus on fiber-rich foods. And by the way, if you want a list of the top 20 fiber-rich foods, simply go to my website, draxe.com. That's draxe.com. Search fiber foods or high fiber foods, and I've got a list there of the top 20. Some of those include artichokes, figs, also things like broccoli, green leafy vegetables, nuts and seeds like chia, flax seeds, pumpkin seeds are great, almonds, walnuts, and there's a lot longer list than that. Celery, but you want to load up on that list of high fiber foods and get as many of those as you can. That's going to support detoxification and going to support those healthy blood sugar levels. The number 4 thing you want to do in terms of diet is start using coconut oil. Coconut oil is great for burning fat. It's great for blood glucose levels. Start cooking with coconut oil, using coconut milk or coconut oil in a morning superfood shake. But coconut oil is great, or else ghee, it's Ghee, or grass-fed butter. All of those work for balancing out blood sugar levels, get those healthy fatty acids, and then lots of protein. Wild-caught salmon is the best. After that, grass-fed beef, organic chicken and turkey. Get more of that protein in your diet. That's the ideal sort of diet you want to be following if you have diabetes. Now, the foods you want to stay away from are pretty obvious, but sugar and grains, really. You want to stay away from all sugar the best you can. You want to replace that with stevia, a no-calorie natural sweetener. If you have to use a sweetener, a little bit of raw honey in moderation can be okay. Once your diabetes is reversed and you're where you should be, raw local honey is another sweetener you could consider, as well as molasses. Now, again, the big thing we follow, I think you realize you shouldn't do a lot of sweets, but grains are another problem, especially gluten-containing grains. White flour products, wheat bread, even whole grain breads and oatmeals and all of those types of things. You want to eliminate grains while you're healing from diabetes. The other foods you want to eliminate as well are going to be conventional dairy products like conventional milk. Now, certain types of dairy can be okay, for instance, like a goat cheese. Small amounts of raw organic goat cheese is fine, but other things, hey, those aren't okay. You want to stay away from especially conventional milk. It contains a form of casein that's going to cause some major health issues and blood sugar issues. The next thing you want to do is, here are the best supplements for naturally reversing diabetes. Number 1 is take a chromium picolinate supplement, 200 milligrams, 3 times a day with your meal. So again, chromium picolinate, most important supplement for diabetes, 200 milligrams, 3 times a day. The next supplement is cinnamon, 1 teaspoon in the morning for breakfast, 1 teaspoon for lunch or dinner. Getting cinnamon in it is great for blood sugar. Number 3 is a fish oil. That's going to help reduce inflammation. Fish oil is great for diabetes. Also, number 4 is going to be alpha lipoic acid, known as ALA. It really works with your pancreas, in naturally balancing out blood sugar levels. And number 5 is going to be magnesium. Magnesium is very effective at treating blood sugar levels. Now, I want to talk about essential oils that are also effective. 2 essential oils I'd recommend are going to be cinnamon and coriander. Now, coriander actually works with your liver in communication and helping balance out blood sugar levels, and cinnamon works with your pancreas. So your liver and your pancreas, 2 important organs for balancing out those blood glucose levels. And what you can do is take a couple drops of coriander, a couple drops of clove with 1 teaspoon of coconut oil, rub those on the bottom of your feet, rub them on your body. You could even make your own homemade body butter or body lotion with those. And those oils really help in maintaining healthy blood glucose levels. And also, if you have diabetes, keeping stress levels low. If you get stressed out, it is absolutely going to affect your hormones and your cortisol, which then in turn will affect your insulin levels. So you want to keep stress levels low. I recommend a detox bath at night. Use some of the essential oils I talked about, something like the coriander with lavender oil with Epsom salts. Soak in a bath at night, relax. I recommend several times throughout your workday, get up and take a 10-minute walk, taking deep breaths, relaxing, getting outside. And then exercising is also crucial. Burst training exercise is the best, but really any form of exercise, including weight training or cardio, is good as well if you want to naturally reverse diabetes. So guys, this has been Dr. Axe talking about natural treatments for diabetes. Hey, if you've enjoyed this, make sure you subscribe here to this channel. I've got a lot more natural cures and remedies coming your way. And also, I've got an article talking about how to reverse diabetes in 30 days on draxe.com. So if you go to my website, draxe.com, draxe.com, just look up diabetes. I've got several good articles there on how to reverse diabetes fast.